quick update because I am aware that I've not posted anything for probably a month now, and the channel's been a bit all over the place. But the reason being, as I'd mentioned in a previous video, I had sold my house and I was supposed to be moving before Christmas. That all fell through, and I was preparing to take my house off the market and it went and sold again. So this one I think is moving quickly. I think I said that last time, but it really is this time. So I'm hoping I'll be in my new home in the next probably month and a half. If I'm not, that is it. I'm taking it off the market and I'm going to give myself a break and just get out travelling in the van again and have some fun, because I'm actually quite tired of selling houses. So yeah, that's where I've been. The next video, I've got a little product review to do. I've also got my Q&As to do. I've still got the last Cotswold video to get out. So, but this house thing, it's just taking up all my time. It's a positive thing. It's just a little bit frustrating in that I can't get out in the van. But that's where I am. Everything's good. In fact, everything's the best it's been in the last 4 and a bit years. So positive moving forward through 2024. Once I get resettled, then I can get out traveling again and get, I'll get out any chance I can and get some videos out, but I don't put them out just for the sake of putting a video out. If I've got something to share, I'll share it. So yeah, I thought I'd better update you. Everything's good. Hope everyone else is good. I'll be looking forward to following everyone else's adventures, living it through them. And that's it. So yeah, the next video out will be, I'll get through some Q&As, but also the product review with a freebie giveaway as well. And that's it. So yeah, all is good. I'll catch you soon. Take care. Bye.